Look at this piece of bread. It looks normal, right? Innocent. But hidden inside its crust are 14 specific proteins that the human body literally does not know how to digest. You've been told you have a slow metabolism. You've been told you're just getting older. But what if I told you that your chronic bloating, your brain fog, and your stubborn belly fat aren't your fault? You are participating in a 50-year global genetic experiment, and no one asked for your consent. Welcome to Nutritional Archaeology. Today, we are going to dig up the truth about modern wheat, why the gluten your grandfather ate is not the same gluten you are eating today, and what happens to your body when you quit this Frankengrain for just 14 days. Let's go back in time. For thousands of years, humans ate ancient grains like einkorn and emmer. These plants were 4 feet tall. They survived droughts naturally. Their genetic code was simple. If you ate bread in 1950, your body knew exactly what to do with it. But then, the 1970s happened. A massive agricultural movement called the Green Revolution took over. Scientists wanted to end world hunger, so they crossbred and hybridized wheat to create a high-yield, pest-resistant supercrop, high-yield dwarf wheat. It was a miracle for agriculture. It saved 1 billion lives. But there was a dark, catastrophic side effect that nobody tested for. By aggressively hybridizing this plant, scientists accidentally created entirely new proteins, 14 of them to exact, proteins that had never existed in the human food supply before. Your DNA has not changed in 10,000 years, but your bread changed overnight. So what happens when you put a 2024 hybrid grain into a 10,000-year-old digestive tract? War. This is the wheat belly effect. Modern wheat contains a superstarch called amylopectin A. This starch spikes your blood sugar faster than eating a spoonful of pure table sugar. That blood sugar spike triggers a massive insulin release. Insulin is your body's fat storage hormone. It takes that energy and locks it directly around your organs. That visceral, hard belly fat, that's modern wheat at work. But the fat is just the beginning. Let's talk about the gluten. Modern wheat contains a highly inflammatory variant of gluten that triggers the release of a protein called zonulin in your gut. Zonulin acts like a crowbar. It literally pries open the tight junctions of your intestinal wall. This is leaky gut syndrome. Suddenly, foreign proteins are floating in your bloodstream. Your immune system panics. It launches a full-scale systemic attack. This chronic inflammation causes joint pain, brain fog, fatigue, and autoimmune flare-ups. You aren't just tired. You are actively being poisoned by a genetically modified grass that was never meant for human consumption. So, what is the solution? What happens if you step out of the 50-year experiment? What happens if you stop eating modern wheat for just 14 days? Day 3. The constant bloating stops. The water retention drops. You lose 3 to 5 pounds of pure inflammatory water weight. Day 7. The brain fog lifts. Without the constant blood sugar roller coaster, your energy levels flatline in the best way possible. No more 3 p.m. crashes. Day 14. Your intestinal wall begins to heal. The chronic inflammation in your joints subsides. You haven't just changed your diet. You have performed nutritional archaeology and returned your body to its factory settings. But here is the hard truth. It's hidden everywhere. Soy sauce, salad dressings, soups. The food industry depends on modern wheat because it's cheap, addictive, and shelf-stable. You have to become a label reader. You have to take control of your own biology. If you want to dive deeper into the exact superfoods that can reverse this damage, you need to know what to eat next. I want to hear from you right now. Go down to the comments and tell me, do you feel bloated or exhausted after eating bread? Be honest. And if you're ready to heal your gut and discover the foods that actually fight aging and inflammation, click the video on the screen right now. I'll see you there.